Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick review on a brand new product that just came out. Those of you who watch my videos know that I have reviewed the Uncover Up concealer from RMS Beauty, which is a 100% organic, natural beauty line. Alright, so this is their newest product, and this is actually their very first foundation. Now their concealer was it was a concealer slash foundation, a concealer that you can use as a foundation, but now they came out with their official foundation. So just to warm up your memory, this is what the RMS concealer looks like. All right, it comes in a small container like this, and it's a creamy concealer, and I was using this as foundation, and I was using my other one as a concealer, the lighter one. So this is what it looks like, and they give you a large amount, and I will be honest with you guys, this is gonna last you a long time. Maybe it depends on how much makeup you put, but a little bit does go a long ways with this product. All right, let me show you guys what it looks like. I got the number, I have number 99 because it matches my skin tone perfectly. It's available in 16 shades, from the fairest, lightest to the deepest, darkest. Okay, and as you can see, all right, so I'm gonna just look at my notes and tell you guys a little bit about this product. Okay, 1 second here. All right, so let me start by saying this product is 100% organic, 100% natural. It's gluten-free, cruelty-free, and it's made with 100% clean ingredients. The main ingredients in this product are coconut oil, jojoba oil, and Britty fruit oil. There are more ingredients in this product, and I will list them below. There's also turmeric in this product, which is really good for the skin. All right, so this pretty much will not only makeup, but it actually helps your skin. It helps improve your skin because of the ingredients in it. If you have sensitive skin, this is a great product to use. The benefits that you get from this product basically is it's super nourishing, and it leaves your skin healthier. So it leaves your skin looking healthy. It helps your skin become healthier, and it's just straight flawless. I love this foundation. The retail price for this is going to be $52, and like I said, it's 100% worth it. Number one, when you pay for organic makeup, it's going to cost a little bit more, but it has clean ingredients, and it's not going to break out your skin, and it's going to, like, people are going to compliment you all the time on your skin. All right, so in this video I am not wearing any makeup, so I'm just going to do a demonstration on how I apply this, so you can see how easily it blends into the skin, and how it looks when I'm finished applying it. So I wanted to save this part. I wanted to most definitely do this part. Okay, give me 1 second. Oh, alright, I'll get that later. Alright, so a little bit goes a long ways. I don't have it with me, it's inside my house. I'm in the backyard right now, but it comes with this really nice, it's like a, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like a little spoon thing, and you can take some out if you want with the spoon. So what I do, I just take my makeup brush and I lightly dab a little bit on the brush, just a little bit, not too much. Like I said, like, I don't know if you can see how much I have in the brush. It's really not a lot. A little bit goes a long way with this product. So I'm gonna just apply it to my skin. So what I do is I just lightly dab it. You can apply it any kind of way you want, and this is actually a great foundation that you can just use your fingers if you don't have a brush, or you don't have time to get a brush or whatever, like you're out and about. And I just blend. You see how it blends right into my skin. And they should have your shade. They have 16 shades, and this is a company that actually listens to the viewers, okay? Because I was one of the viewers that was complaining at first when they had when they first had the concealers and they didn't have concealers dark enough. I was one of the people that did complain, and they listened to everyone and they came out with darker shades for women of color, and I appreciate that as a company. So look, it easily blends right in. It only takes a few minutes, and this is honestly, it doesn't even look like you're wearing makeup. It just looks like you have really healthy skin. And as you can see, if you notice, like, my skin is starting to glow right now. Alright, so now the next thing I'm going to do is apply the concealer. I'm going to apply the concealer in 66. I always go with a shade a little bit lighter to brighten up underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to use this concealer brush right here. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way, so I'm just going to dab a little bit out of that so you can see. And apply some right underneath. And this their products blend into the skin amazingly. Like, it blends so nice into the skin, and that's why it looks so natural. It just looks like you have really good skin. All right, so I'm going to take my fingers, I'm just going to blend it. It's up to you if you want to finish with a powder. I know, like, some people get thrown off because of the ingredients. You know, they have like hydrating ingredients like coconut oil and stuff. But for some people, I wore this in the summertime and I haven't had any problems. So, you know, sorry, something in my eye. All right, I wear this in the summertime and I haven't had any problems where I feel like my skin's melting or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? But this is, it works perfectly in the summertime. A little bit goes a long way. It's just, you know, a little bit is all you need. You can add a little bit of powder if you're worried about anything. I usually wear powder on, but it's going to start getting cold soon. So for the colder months, you don't even really need to add powder or anything, but this is going to keep your skin hydrated, especially if you have like severe dry skin like me, where in the winter time I get dry patches, or even when the weather just starts changing, like November, I get dry patches in my skin. This will prevent that because it's super moisturizing. And I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to blend it in, and there you go. So I'm all finished, and I just wanted to do it on camera so you guys can see how this product works. It's really sometimes, you know, if you want a really good product, you have to really invest into it. And you know, the $52 is honestly the average price of most well, high-end foundations, but this is 100% organic and natural. The products are clean. It's gonna help your skin. Look at my skin right now. Like, my skin looks flawless. It looks natural. It doesn't even look like I'm really wearing makeup. It just looks like I have like really good skin. So instead of just talking about the product, I just wanted to do a demonstration of how easy it is to apply this foundation, and it pretty much lasts all day. You know, if you want to do like touch-ups, you can. But when I wear this, I find myself not really needing to do touch-up, maybe like once a day, depending on, it depends on what I'm doing, you know. But and you can add powder to it if you want. A lot of times I do, and some days I don't, and it's perfectly fine. So it's up to you guys. All right, so I do have a blog post. We'll have a link below. If you guys have any questions about this product, just let me know. And this is the RMS Beauty Uncover Up Cream Foundation, and it's for all skin types, and it works amazingly. I really like it a lot. If you don't know about this company, check into them. They have great products, great skincare products. All right, bye guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button too.